नहीं होगा।
और फिर जी की वीडियो बता दीजिएगा इसके बाद।
गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। In previous video, you have learnt chapter 1, what, where, how and when. In that video, you have learnt what is history. What is history? Prehistory and history you have learned. And in that video, this point, what is history, prehistory, history are told you. Now remaining part of this chapter I am going to teach now. Source of studying history. Source of studying history. History to know about silent, be silent. To know silent. To know, to study about the history, we should need some source. How to know about the history? We should find some source. By some source we should know about the history. Open your book and take care. To construct history is an easy task. Is not an easy task. Construct history. To make history, to regard history is not easy task. It is very difficult to collect the information from the past time. It is a very difficult subject. Historian depend on various sources of this, and historian who studies, who collects the information about the facts, that is called the historian. Historian depends on the various source of this. It is easy to create. Be silent. Be silent, sir. It is easy to create history with the help of written record. Record. If a record is written, we can collect, we can give the information to all. Is easy. The problem is faced when we want to record history of that time, which we have no record or inscriptions available. It is very difficult. If no record, no inscriptions available, so find out to facts. We should depend on other things. In such a condition, we have to depend on the facts and source available of that time. If we know the past time, if we know the information about the past time, we should depend on these some facts that happened on the past times. This source can be generally classified into two categories. This source is classified into two categories, two groups. two groups to find out the information, to find out the facts about the history, about the source, about the manner, what happened. We should depend in two groups. First of all, literary source. By literary source, we can collect some information. The early humans didn't know how to read and write. Early man, past times man, didn't know how to read and write. No schools, no copy, no school, no anything that they can read, they can be illiterate, they are illiterate. They lived in the caves. The early mans, we know, they live in caves, they live in the garden, without homes. They wandered. They depend script by the making pictures and sign. They developed, the early mans developed some designs, some pictures. Through the signs, through the pictures, which gradually depended into the language, gradually, slowly, that sign and pictures going to be language. Many languages like Chinese, Japanese use a symbol and signs. Chinese language, Japanese language become the symbol and signs to great extent even today. The written material is known as the manuscript. The written record, we know manuscript, written record. Manu is a Latin word, means manu. Manu is a Latin word that means by hand. And script is deprived from the Latin word scriptus, which means written. That means that recorded is collected, is written by hand. That is called manuscript. Now, second source, archaeological source. Literary source and a second archaeological source. Some of the materials, remains of the past are buried under the ground. In the source, archaeological source, some buildings are buried under the ground, and that remains part are found today. If we dig, the person who examine the object from the ancient history and they study them are called the archaeologist. The person who search through the buildings, houses buried under the ground, and the remains part are found, and the person who studies about them are called archaeologist. So, in today's videos, I stopped, and next video will be showed. थैंक यू।